truck stop.
Will you show us inside? Will you show us every little thing? Tell us all about it.
So the engine's been rebuilt. We have fuel injection. We have heat. We have a brand new wiring harness, custom built. Have upgraded front brakes, hydraulic clutch. Down here, it now has air conditioning, upgraded headlights. We have a 5-speed transmission,
What did it used to have?
3-speed on the column, brand new wiring harness, upgraded speedometer, the heat and air conditioning.
This thing had a deteriorated glove box made out of, what was it made out of? It's made out of cardboard. So Luke custom built a glove box for this. What did you make it out of?
It's made out of 20-gauge sheet metal. There used to be a fuel tank behind the seat. It's been moved to the front.
Well, it's 4:30 a.m. and we are on our way on our road trip to Kansas City.